Meaning of flakiness.
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 Flakiness. Flakiness refers to the lack of consistency or reliability in a person, product, or system. It describes something that is prone to failure or unpredictability, and can often lead to frustration or inconvenience for those relying on it. In software development, flaky tests refer to tests that produce inconsistent results, making it difficult to accurately determine whether the code is working as intended. Overall, flakiness denotes a lack of dependability, stability, or trustworthiness, and is generally seen as a negative trait or characteristic.